Hey YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, before we do anything, go ahead and subscribe. I am so sorry that I've gone ghost for a little while, but I am back and content creating. I've been posting more to my Instagram, my Twitter, all my stories, and I would love for you to continue to follow this journey. Why don't we fall into this journey? Because it's fall. Anyway, today I'm thinking we're gonna do more of a fall inspired look mixed with a rhinestone look. I have been obsessed with the trend on Instagram where people are putting rhinestones into their look because who doesn't love a little bit of glitter? I know I do. So let's get started. I'm gonna be using the Smashbox photofinish smooth and blur. This one is like an OG, so I literally use it on everything, on clients, on myself, and I honestly love it so much. I'm also excited because tomorrow, oh my gosh, I always feel like I start massaging my face when I put this on because it feels so good. But also tomorrow I am getting my lashes done and I'm super excited about it. I'm so excited. I love lashes, I love them so much. Okay, now that the primer is on, we are actually gonna go straight into the eye look. Today, I think I'm gonna use, the Huda Beauty palette. I am obsessed with these colors. Like, I think I wanna use this top row. OMG, like whoever put this color scheme together just killed it. I mean, what? Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna use this. I love, 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 love the yellow shades in this, So to get started, I am gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal to go underneath my brows. I've been doing this more recently where I'm doing my brows after and I do my makeup before.
Do my brows after and do my makeup before?
Yeah. So I do conceal my brow, don't touch it just yet, do my makeup, and then go back and fill my brows, which is kind of out of order, but I enjoy how it looks at the end. It looks really, really clean and really, really natural, so you don't get like those hard block brows. Like you get something that looks more like a gradient and more realistic. So to get started, I'm actually going in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. This is the one that's completely blank out. It's white, a pure white color. And I like to use this when I'm working with colors because it definitely gives me a blank canvas and a blank slate to get started with the eyeshadow look. I've also been seeing recently that people will do their concealer that matches more of their skin tone on the brow area and then blend in the white shade underneath, and it gives it more of like a, I don't know, it's more like a photo finish look where you're seeing that the color will pop through on the lid, but it's not actually white all the way up to your brow. So, I don't know, I liked how it looked a little better. Okay, so that is one eye kind of mapped out already, and I'm gonna go off camera and do this eye. This is the eye. I decided to do like a warm green kind of cut crease. I achieved it using the Huda Beauty palette along with the Jackie Aina palette and the James Charles palette, which I don't feel like picking up because it's huge. But I zoomed in a little bit more so that you can kind of see my transition and my process. Let's hope we can recreate it. I'm actually gonna start with the yellow shade up in the top. That's gonna give me my base for my foundation of the actual look. And I have a blending brush. This is the Morphe M513. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that and just kind of blend my crease. our yellow / lime green laid down, we're actually gonna jump into the Jackie Aina palette, and we're gonna be using the shade Edges, which I absolutely adore. It's like the perfect transition color. I love, love, love it. So next, I'm gonna take another fluffy blending brush. This is the Morphe M441, and we're gonna blend into the crease. Now when I feel like, I don't know why, but I feel like the shade is like sticking in one part of my eye, and it did not do that on the other eye, which is odd. But girl, we're gonna cover that anyway, so I'm going to keep pushing. All right, next I'm gonna go in with the shade Credit from the Jackie Aina palette, and that's gonna go on the outer V of my eye. I really enjoy this shade. Like, it's not too dark, but it's dark enough to be like, ooh, ooh, ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna go on the outer. I'm going to take the Morphe M204. It's more of a flat brush, and I'm going to go into, so these two middle shades, I'm going to go into those. Okay, so now I'm going to go do my liner and my lashes off camera, and then we'll finish up the look. Okay, so now that we have done the brows off camera and we have done our eyeliner, I am actually going to be speeding through my foundation routine. If you would like for me to make a separate video, please leave a comment down below. So enjoy this montage of foundation. My lower lash line, and I'm going to go in using the same colors I used earlier. So yes, and now for the finishing touch, we actually need to do another rhinestone on this side. Dot, a small dot, not a big dot. And then I'm going to take some tweezers. Okay, that was a fail. Let's try this again. Gonna take Trust Issues to highlight my face. I want to see what that looks like. brown pencil. It's called Perfect Precision. I think it's meant to be an eyeliner, but I really like it as a lip liner, so. Then I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Plumping Gloss. Y'all, this stuff is the truth. Like, I love the color payoff. It's amazing. I love it. I love it. Okay, so that, guys, completes the look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I am gonna actually zoom out a little bit so you can kind of see what you do. You know when you do your makeup, oh my gosh, I have nowhere to go and I look bomb.com, so yes. But yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Continue to prosper in your purpose. I love you guys, and catch you later. Bye.